Hello Wasabi fans, Marcus Mead here. I wanted to show you an update on our plants we planted a couple weeks ago in the barrels, and then I also found a few volunteers that fell between the fingers during planting. I'm going to spin the camera around here and show you what these things look like. Here we go. This is barrel number one. You can see these are new leaves that are new stems and leaves that have grown in just the past few weeks. Everybody looks pretty healthy, and some of this stuff like this is just old stems that were cut, and they're now just dying away, being replaced by the new ones. There hasn't been any loss, and there hasn't been any squirrels, which is pretty fantastic. These are the ones that just got in between the barrels, and these are a couple of years old. They were in this other barrel, and they seem to be really happy in their new place. This is the barrel that's amended with some pumice, and they're doing slightly better. I would say there's a little more growth. They seem to be a little taller, and there seem to be more leaves, but I would imagine at this point the soil probably hasn't compacted, and there probably shouldn't. I'm surprised that these are seemingly a little bit better. I'll switch back over here. You can see this one looks to be similar, but like some of these, this growth is not as much as all of this. It seems to be pretty uniform. So far the pumice folks are outpacing the pure potting soil. Well, I hope you all have a great Christmas, and if you order anything from us over the holidays, I hope you enjoy it with all of your food and your family, and I will check back with you all again in the new year. Thanks again. Bye-bye.